Hi there, this is a quick overview video on how to set up the Google Webmaster Tools account for your business. The reason we do this is because Google regularly crawls the internet and tries to find new information to provide to people when they search their Google search results. And in order to get your website to start appearing more often when people search keywords, you want to make sure that Google is up to date with the newest information on your site. So if you were to add a new blog to your site, or if you were to start doing some search engine optimization, adding keywords to your site, cleaning stuff up, you would want Google to know as soon as possible that you were doing that. And in order to let them know that you've done that, you need to submit your site to Google. And Google Webmaster Tools is where we do that. So I'm going to go ahead and start browsing as a guest on Google so that we can go through the process of setting up a Google Webmaster account from scratch, totally fresh. I'm going to type in Google Webmaster Tools. I'll go to this first link. It's going to ask me to sign in, and I'm going to start now. There we go. Okay, and once you've logged in using whatever Google account you've got, you're going to put the domain that you'd like to start submitting for. Now, this is a tricky step. If you have access to the registrar for your website, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate there. If you don't have this information, maybe you have a webmaster who's doing this for you, you're going to want to ask them to go ahead and put this code into the TXT record in your DNS configurations. I know that sounds crazy. So this is a really easy thing to do when you know how to do it, but some people just don't know how to do it. So I wanted to walk you through. Once you're logged into your GoDaddy website, you can go ahead and find the URL that you're going to adjust for, Bridgetown Marketing, and go to the DNS settings. This is going to be a list of records, and the record you're going to want to add is a TXT. You can see that I've added TXT records here before, so I'll show you how to add one. Go to Type and select TXT, and then in this host area, just hit @ Then in the TXT value, you're going to go back and you're going to pull from this Google site verification. You're going to copy that and you're going to add that into the TXT value. And then you're going to save. Now it might take a second for that to go into effect. There's nothing else to do on this page, so we can get out of our DNS settings. But it might take a second for that to kind of clear through GoDaddy. You can hit verify and see if it's verified yet. It might take a few minutes. You can see. Once you have your TXT record added into your DNS settings on wherever you're registered, you can go in now to your Google Search Console that will have verified that you own that domain, and you can start adding information for Google to crawl.